In addition to the omnidirectional sensing of Honda Sensing 360, Honda Sensing 360 Plus is a driving assistance system that leverages high-precision map data and checks the driver's state to ensure the prior prevention of accidents and further mitigate the burden on the driver. Exit warning. While the vehicle is parked, when the system detects a vehicle approaching from the rear, the indicator on the side mirror lights up to warn occupants. Furthermore, when the system detects the risk of a collision between a door being opened and a passing vehicle, the indicator flashes and an audible warning sounds at the same time to alert the occupant and discourage opening of the door. Driver Emergency Support System. When the driver becomes incapable of driving, for example, due to sudden illness, and does not respond to the system's operational requests, it alerts the driver with audible and visual warnings. If the driver remains unresponsive, the system alerts other road users around the vehicle using hazard lights and the horn, and assists the vehicle in coming to a stop within the same lane. After stopping, the system contacts an emergency call service. Predictive Curve Departure Warning. When the system detects the risk of lane departure due to driving around curves on expressways without decelerating, a visual warning is displayed on the meter to notify the driver of the curve. When the vehicle is required to decelerate upon approaching the curve, the driver is encouraged to slow down through an audible warning and a visual warning on the meter. When deceleration by the driver is inadequate, the system issues a stronger warning and slows down the vehicle to assist the controlling of lane departure at the curve. Advanced in-lane driving with hands-off capability. While driving on expressways, the system uses a high-precision map and GNSS to ascertain its own position and simultaneously obtain road information. Under certain conditions, the system operates the steering wheel, accelerator, and brake pedal. It assists hands-off driving, allowing the vehicle to maintain a preset speed and stay in the middle of the lane. When there is a car in front, the system assists the driver to follow that vehicle while maintaining a proper following distance. At curves, the system obtains information on the road ahead using high-precision map data, reading the curvature of the lane in advance to ensure a suitable speed in assisting smooth driving. Active Lane Change Recommendation. While driving on expressways using the advanced in-lane driving with hands-off capability, the system detects cars ahead in the same lane being driven at low speed and recommends changing lanes when it is determined from surrounding conditions that it is possible to pass them. When the driver operates the approval switch, the system operates the turn signal, accelerates or decelerates, and assists with steering. The driver can also operate the button to have the system assist lane changes before recommendations are even made. Moreover, when a destination has been set on the navigation system, and the system determines that a lane change is required and possible, it recommends changing to lanes that are closer to junctions and exits. Operating the approval switch prompts the system to assist the lane change. Advanced lane change. While driving on expressways using the advanced in-lane driving, when the driver switches on the advanced lane change, it detects cars ahead being driven at lower speeds in the same lane. When the system determines from surrounding conditions that it is possible to pass them, it notifies the driver, automatically operates the turn signal, adjusts the speed, and operates the steering wheel to assist lane changes. After passing the vehicles, and the system determines that it is possible to drive at the preset speed, it notifies the driver again and assists the return to the original lane. Furthermore, when driving with the navigation system turned on, the system assists with lane changes near junctions and exits to head toward the set destination. Striving to realize a collision-free mobility society. Honda Sensing 360 Plus.